Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, weekly chart, not a bunch of movement. How are you macro bullish if this level isn't broken? Now, it could happen. Break above 31,800, move to 37,000. 42,000, 47,000 in the cards based on these levels on the weekly. You see a breakdown where you've got your Bollinger Band starting to squeeze on the weekly as well as the daily. See a breakdown, you're going to see, hopefully buyers jump in at 24,700, 21,500. So again, it's make or break, and you're running out of room in this pattern. A lot of people are calling for a move this week. Bitcoin daily chart, you've got this small falling wedge. It's running out of room. 68% chance it breaks higher. Breaks higher, the measured move is right here, right? Where this wouldn't be amazing if it gets rejected and it comes back down, right? You got to break this level and flip it. Then everything changes, right? Bitcoin takes off, altcoins take off. Everything's amazing. Break to the downside, open up shorts, short the market. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group right now. Huge sales, 60% off the leverage group. We're making a ton of money. I think we do these play-by-play calls where they're live streams. All you have to do is follow the leader. We're up about 43% in the last 2 days. All you have to do is show up and follow the leader. But right now, you can use leverage 100 on the website, cryptorev.net. You get $100 off. You sign up for the year, you can get $200 off. Use coupon code leverage200, you get $200 off. So again, very cheap prices to learn a skill to make money. I mean, we're killing it. 900%, 210, 155, 100, 105, 79, 81, 82, 87, 120%, 12%, 114, 57. And you, Chris, have been a godsend. Great screen share. He's taking control of his financial future. This person, you're giving a retired soldier a new skill, teaching this old dog some new tricks. This is about, adjusting to what the market's giving you. Joe had his TRB, I'll follow the leader, did a great job. Follow the leader, TRB for some solid gains. Again, spot group still banging, finding consistent gainers every day. So Bitcoin miner reserve. Miners have been dumping their Bitcoin. Right? Why are the miners dumping? What does it all mean? HBAR price soars as FEDNOW adds support for Hedera HBAR. And again, HBAR seems like huge news, right? They're going to work with FEDNOW. HBAR price soars. HBAR last month, they had key partnerships with Hyundai and Kia. They had an AI-enabled solution for tracking supply chain carbon emissions. And so, again, they also have a global payment giant MasterCard partnership that they unveiled as well. So, again, a ton of news, but you've only seen about a 25% gain in the price of HBAR over the last 30 days. But definitely some huge news. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to this because this is important and it's basic to a lot of us. But there are people that don't know how to research a coin and do deep dives into these coins. And I've been working on a lot of these for the small caps. I've got a larger cap coin that is going to be, 10, 20x, very realistic to see out of the coin that I'll announce at the end of the video. But if you want to research a coin, you start off at Coin Market Cap, and you can see the entire website right here. Go to the Coin Market Cap. You can just type in the coin name. Here, CFX was being searched in this example, right? And you can also go to the website, the white paper. You can go to the Twitter, right? You want to go to the Twitter and you see what's going on. You want to see a bunch of posts. You want to see them doing work, right? You want to see them doing development. You can go to CoinMarketCal and you can search for news, right? You want to look for the market cap, circulating supply, diluted market cap. You don't want, if there's a bunch of coins that haven't been released yet, has to make you wonder, like, are the devs holding a bunch of coins? Are they going to unlock in 2 years or 3 years or soon? Just like Sandbox actually has 332 million sand that just got unlocked. I was posted 4 hours ago on Crypto Panic. If you want news, this is the place to go. Crypto Panic. All you do is type in the coin, right? CFX, which we were looking at a second ago, right? It gives you all the news for CFX, right? And so understand this is a good resource just to find the news. And there's a ton of it, right? Go to CoinMarketCal, you can type in CFX. And again, this is just a random coin that was used for the infographic. September 2023, they've got a hard fork upgrade, right? So that's a idea where there's some news is more important than others, right? You want to find airdrops or huge run-ups, and definitely in bullish market conditions. And you're going to see a lot more of this news, like the holders or the creators, the developers of the coins, the biggest holders, right? So they will intentionally hold the news back until the market is bullish. And then, because, I mean, they stand to make the most amount of money because they're the biggest holders. And obviously there's going to sell because they have families to feed. And that's just how this business works. It's a business. People are trying to make money. A lot of them are cash grabs, and it's a bunch of nonsense. Rug pulls. And we've all seen the space sometimes is too much. But go to CoinMarketCal, Crypto Panic, know how to use CoinMarketCap, and you'll be able to do deep dives yourself and understand what's going on. But Twitter is definitely a huge resource where all your teams, people, large influencers, personalities, I mean, if they're supporting a coin, hundreds of thousands or millions of people see these coins being supported, and they can move the market. And just understand the game. Hey, I mean, if a coin's paying somebody else for exposure, then that's how they market their coin. I mean, that's how it's done in crypto. Pay a bunch of YouTubers and people on Twitter to push a coin, and it goes up in price, and then how you market your coin. It happens all the time. The problem is people fall in love with these coins and hold them. They hold them into the bear market, and then these gems are only gems until they roll over. The bull market is a bull market until it's not, right? And these coins get wrecked. I'll show you a coin shortly that's got wrecked, but Doge first. WTF? What's going on with Doge? What is going on with Doge? Doge saw this huge price spike. Looks huge right here now, but it's a couple pennies. Very common to see these explosive price moves, but and this is super zoomed in, probably like on a low time frame. The move looks a lot easier. It wouldn't probably even be something you can notice on like a daily chart, right? So understand that idea. Link, and this seems like an obvious pick for long-term hold, but right now Link is going through consolidation, reaccumulation, right? And so at one point Link was down 91%. Now Bitcoin breaks lower, you might be able to pick it up a little cheaper down here at $3.48 or $2.80. But I'm looking for a lot of upside. Easy 10x coin, possibly 20x out of Link, because you go to their Twitter, you see that they've got, they're taking part in SmartCon 2023 in Barcelona. They're working on the new multi-chain era where you got a bunch of cryptos. They all have to work together. Chainlink's working on multi-chain. There's hundreds of blockchains. How do they, interoperability is huge, right? And so, but you go through their Twitter and you can see, they're talking about Web3 developers, and they have a lot of adoption. They have new integrations. Basically, you got a huge adoption update, right? A bunch of new coins, protocols, ecosystems using Chainlink. Just say crypto adoption happening with Chainlink, right? And so again, all these new integrations, right? They're still continuing to grow, not giving up. And so Link, this is a larger cap coin, right? So let's go with our coin market cap, right? You type in link up here. And then you see that the circulating supply is 538 million link. Max supply is 1 billion link. So what they're going to do with the difference, how's that worked out? You can go through and you can pull things up in the white paper, see, okay, is the team holding a bunch? When is it they unlocked it? A lot of times you'll see coins say, hey, you have to hold on to the coins for, 2, 3, these coins, the team's dumping as soon as there's launched, and you get rug pulls on some of these super small caps, right? And that's the dangerous part. But you can also find out what exchange it's on. You go to markets and you can see all the exchange that it's listed on. There's 50 pages of exchanges that have link, right? Obviously some are duplicates, but all your major exchanges have link offered, right? Which is very important. Accessibility, a lot of people can buy it. The market cap is $3 billion, almost $4 billion, right? So it's a larger cap coin, right? Comparatively. You come back here to and understand, like these coins up here in the top 20, and link is number 20, they're larger caps. It's going to take, for this to do a 10x, you have a $40 billion market cap, $44 billion market cap. That's very reasonable, very realistic. A lot bigger than that is possible, right? But when you look at coins like Ethereum with $221 billion market cap, I mean, yeah, you could have a 5 or 10x out of Ethereum, but it's going to take a ton of money, right? It's going to take more money. So a lot of people buy these coins when they look cheap. This coin's $1.44 Tron, but it has a $5 billion market cap. They're thinking, well, I'm going to make more money here because it's cheaper. But really, it has a lot to do with the overall market cap, because this has to do with the coin supply, right? If there's billions of coins and Tron has 3.4 billion coins, right? And then it's only $1.44, right? Where you have Bitcoin, for example, you've got 19.5 million coins circulating supply. There's going to be ever 21 million. The halving is going to come probably in April, and it's going to cut the production in half. Bitcoin, that'll drive the prices higher. Can Bitcoin 10x? Yes, but it's going to take billions and billions and trillions. It's going to take trillions of dollars, right, to see Bitcoin hit any kind of serious multiple, right? So I always tell people who want to know about, trade Bitcoin. Really, I use it as a marker for how to trade these altcoins, because as you go down the list, there's more risk, but there's more reward. And so we'll look at more, like yesterday, I talked about a coin. Make sure to watch yesterday's video. Touched base with it today, some more updates. Ferrum Network, FRM, smaller cap coin, right? Could a 10x, 20x, 30x, 50x, a lot easier because it's a small cap compared to some of these large cap coins, right? When you're really trying to hit the big multiples, you're holding these coins, you're accumulating these coins. It's going to be safer to accumulate the coins the closer to the halving, right? But if Bitcoin does break higher and puts in a solid run, and this is the actual bull run, it just takes a long, slow route to the upside. There's always that variable. Are you willing to withstand, 40% pullbacks? These coins pull back 35, 40%, and then they pump 100%. And that's just how the market works. It's super volatile. It's all over the place. People get stopped out and the coin takes off. Crazy. So yeah, just wanted to go over some real basic ideas so you guys know how to do deep dives on these coins and really understand these are very good websites to use. CryptoPanic, just Google it, CoinMarketCal, and you can go through. They'll even have like live test nets, different things on top that gives you the confidence level. So an idea is you want to go to the Telegram as well, right? This is the gamma release of the Cosmos Hub Atom in the third quarter. So what I would do is I would go to the Telegram channel and I would ask an admin, like, is this confirmed? Is this the date? Right? Is this it? But the most important thing is, if you're looking for solid bangers over time, I mean, it's always best to come and pick this up at support or on a Bitcoin pullback. It may or may not happen. But again, will you run up to $40, $50, which that was a previous high? We started years ago. We had a buy-in at 250 and I think we sold it like 4 or something, right? I took my gains and I didn't sit and hold the entire way up. I mean, that's a strategy, but I just would I wanted the coins that went up the fastest, right? I wanted to roll and reinvest my profits in the coins that were going up the fastest. I didn't want to ride these downtrends and then the reaccumulation where you just get a bunch of sideways action where you feel like your coins aren't doing anything. All the coins are, but if you don't know what you're doing, you're moving the money around and then you miss the move out of the coin you wanted. So again, the most important thing is have to adopt a strategy that works for you and your psyche, right? I don't want to wake up and my portfolio's down $200,000, right? So I'm locking in profits. I'm taking profits on a regular basis and into a lot more shorter term trade ideas. Definitely Chainlink, write it down, put it on your whiteboard. We'll have some upside, 10x, 20x possible over the next bull market year and a half, right? If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.